Hi everyone, I'm Andrew Stevenson and I'm here with another KDP Income Report. So this is from my second month. If you remember, last month, January, I made £26 and that was from the first sale on the 15th of January through to the 31st, 26 quid. Not bad, I was very, very pleased with it. I'll link to the video so you can look back and see what books sold. I also did a later video where I actually took you step by step through each book that was that had sold. I showed you the interiors, I showed you the covers, I showed you the BSR, I shared the reviews. So I'm going to be totally transparent and show you what it's like to sell books on KDP. So again, this is without any advertising at all, just the 30-day honeymoon period, in inverted commas, where Amazon seem to boost your book. So no sales for the first 2 days, and then that's a big spike. £10 on the craft paper pads that I create. This is wooden planks. I will do another video showing the books that sold, and then I'll do a further video on these craft paper pads because they are simple to make and they sell well. So that's £11 there nearly. £1.40. Again, it's the same type. Another one. £2.14. So there are days without any sales, and I get that now still, to be honest. To be completely honest, £43. There's been days, months when I haven't reached that recently. But like I said, I've taken my foot off the gas. Comedy Writer's Notebook, £5.67. So that's, I think, 3. Again, it's funny how they sell well, and then all of a sudden they just drop. There's another craft paper pad, that is my steampunk one. Again, craft paper, craft paper, craft paper. 3 different types. Steampunk. There's another sober journal. Nothing. Another sober journal. And another craft book. So let's have a look at the actual breakdown. So I've got 91 books now because I have been publishing some more. So these are the ones that sold. I got £20. So almost half of me earnings came from one book. And this book took like maybe it's half an hour to knock up. A lot to Germany, UK and the US. So £30, £32, £34. So £34 out of 43 went on these craft paper pads. That's another Comedy Writer's Notebook. That's the pocket size I actually made because the first book was 8 by 11, 8.5 by 11. I made one that was 6 by 9 just because I thought it was easier to, if you were going to write on the move. So that's probably 3 of those gone. 2 journals. I've not sold one of these for ages, really long time. That's probably £2 from one book. So these are different. These are full colour books. They cost more to make, but then you charge more for them. So that is it. Just a short video today. £43.5. That is not a bad amount. I will be back with another video breaking down these books and looking at the reviews as they're sold, and then I will come back and really do a proper video on these craft paper pads because they are they're popular. When I started doing these craft paper pads, not a lot of people were doing them. Now there seems to be a few more. But that's it. Hopefully, you're learning some things about what sells in the early part of your KDP career. I'm still learning myself, so it's good for me to go back and have a look at these videos and look at these sales, and then work out why they're not selling anymore. But please like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. It really does help me, and you'll be notified when the next videos come out. And hopefully we'll all learn something by the time I reach the end of this series. Thank you for watching.